Hi YouTubers, and welcome back to another episode of Bob's TR3 Restoration. I know it's been several months since I posted anything, but it's been a very busy several months. We had our car show at the American Muscle Car Museum in April. We raised 60% more this year for St. Jude's Children's Hospital than we did last year. So that was a very successful day at the car show. I want to thank the American Muscle Car Museum for allowing us to have the show there. Also want to thank all the members of the MG Car Club that came out and volunteered to help make that show successful. Thank you very much. So, getting back to the TR3 restoration, as you can see, a lot has happened since the last episode. I had a friend come over and help me finish up the metal work, the hammer and dolly work. It was so close, but I wanted somebody to come over and just push it over the finish line, just to do the fine points that I wasn't feeling comfortable with. So he spent a couple hours over here, helped me do that. After that, I took the car, removed all the wings and the bonnet and the boot and the apron, and removed the frame and prepped it for epoxy primer. I have another friend, his name is Smooth, who is a professional body man, painter for many years. He came over and helped me and guided me and instructed me on how to paint the epoxy primer. Actually, it wasn't that bad and it came out very well. There was no runs. I think I have maybe one run on the whole car. So, painted all the body panels separately, and then we came over and we painted the tub. So the tub was all put in epoxy primer. At that point, I was ready to start doing filler work. I have another friend, Francis, who is a body man and does high-end restorations. He came over and gave me some instructions on how to apply body filler. So the tub is now done as far as body filler goes. I am now preparing to put the epoxy primer back over top of the filler, and we'll be ready then to let the car down, put the frame back underneath it, put all the panels back on, and we'll be ready then to start to do the filler work on the exterior of the car. But things are rolling along. It's summertime here in Florida now. It's hot. I have air conditioning in here, thank God. And I'm ready to get back to this and really get some stuff done. So if you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.